How to change location on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to change location on Android device. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Settings application on your Android phone. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Choose additional settings depending upon your Android phone. Navigate to Language and Region. Now tap on Region. Currently, it has been set to Nepal. You can easily scroll down to the bottom of your screen and choose the region or location where you reside. Suppose if you live in India, you can easily select India and then change location on Android. Depending upon your region or location, every settings will be changed like date and time. So that is how you can successfully change location on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.